Have you ever imagined creating your own tools, toys, or even clothes right at home? Welcome to the world of 3D printing. This revolutionary process breathes life into digital designs, crafting them into tangible objects. It all starts with a base, building up layer by meticulous layer to form complex shapes and structures. It's like watching a potter at work, except here, the potter is you, and the clay is replaced by a myriad of materials. With a 3D printer, the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. So, how does this amazing technology actually work? Well, let's break it down into three main steps: design, preparation, and printing. Firstly, we have the design phase. This is where the magic begins. Using 3D modeling software, an artist, engineer, or even you can create a digital blueprint of any object you can imagine. This digital design is the cornerstone of 3D printing. It's where the idea takes its first step towards reality. Next, we move to the preparation stage. Here, the digital design is sliced into thin layers by the software. Think of it like a loaf of bread, each slice representing a layer of the final product. This step is crucial as it determines how the printer will build the object, layer by layer. Finally, we reach the printing phase. The printer reads this file and lays down successive layers of material to build the object. It's a meticulous process, almost like watching a symphony of technology in action. It's like a high-tech version of making a sculpture, and it's changing the world as we know it. Now, let's recap the fascinating world we've explored today. 3D printing, a marvel of simplicity and versatility, brings the power to create complex designs right into your living room. With just a few simple steps, you can bring your imagination to life. This technology is not just a hobbyist's delight, but it's revolutionizing industries, from fashion to healthcare and from culinary arts to architecture. 3D printing, a technology once confined to science fiction, is now available at your fingertips. What will you create?